Political parties are most visible institutions in a democracy because dash. Option A. Even less educated citizens know about political parties. Option B. For ordinary citizens, democracy is equal to political parties. Option C. Parties have become identified with social and political divisions. And option D. Most people in a democracy are not critical of political parties. Which of the above statements is false? The number of political parties registered with the Election Commission of India is dash. Option A 750 parties, option B more than 750 parties, option C less than 750 parties, and option D 705 parties. Which party is only allowed to rule in China? Option A Socialist Party, option B Communist Party, option C Liberal Party, and option D Maoist Party. How many parties are needed in any democratic system to compete in elections and to provide a fair chance for the competing parties to come to power? Option A less than 2, option B at least 2 parties, option C more than 2 parties, and option D at least 3 parties. An example of a country where two-party system exists. Option A India, option B United Kingdom, option C China, and option D Pakistan. An example of a country having the multi-party system is dash. Option A China, option B USA, option C India, and option D United Kingdom. The term partition means option A group of people who comes together to promote common beliefs. Option B a fear of the state or the science of governance. Option C a person who is strongly committed to a party, and option D the ruling party which runs the government. A recognized political party is dash. Option A party that is present in only one of the federal units. Option B a party that is present in several and all units of the federation. Option C a party that is based on regional and communal diversities. Option D a party recognized by the Election Commission with all the privileges and facilities. Who is the founder of the Bahujan Samaj Party? Option A Sau Maharaj, option B Jyotiba Phule, option C B.R. Ambedkar, and option D Kanshi Ram. Identify the guiding philosophy of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Option A Bahujan Samaj, option B Revolutionary Democracy, option C Integral Humanism, and option D Modernity. Which political party believes in Marxism-Leninism? Option A Communist Party of India, Option B, Nationalist Congress Party. Option C, Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam DMK. Option D, Bahujan Samaj Party. Which one of the following is considered the best form of government? Option A, democracy. Option B, dictatorship. Option C, monarchy. And option D, military rule. Give the meaning of alliance. Option A, two parties together form the government. Option B, leftist and rightist together form the government. Option C, when state and national parties together form the government. And option D, when several parties in a multi-party system join for the purpose of contesting elections and winning power. Select the statement related to the advantages of multi-party system. Option A, multi-party system provides limited choice to the voters. Option B, there is a chance of conflict. Option C, provides choice to the voters. And option D, in multi-party system, regional parties get the representation. Political parties are allotted symbols by dash. Option A, the Government of India. Option B, the Constitution of India. Option C, the party leaders. And option D, the Election Commission. What is an ideological one-party system? Option A, party based on separation of other parties. Option B, party based on coercion. Option C, party based on ideological reasons, coercion and separation of other parties. And option D, party based on communist ideology.